This is really a surrogate memory like this is really what they need. This is what they should be using. This is really the trajectory of personal computing.
What it does is you have this wonderful sense of liberation that, okay, I know it's recording everything for me. I don't have to worry about that. So now if I'm, say, looking for things on the web, I'm not thinking about, well, what pages do I need to save or not. You just really go with the flow, and you're thinking about the ideas more, and you just, maybe you'll click a page and say, yeah, that's an interesting one, and know you can easily find it again then later. So by taking down some of that burden of the legwork, it frees you up to the more abstract level where you think, what are the ideas here, rather than the mechanics of looking things up.
I use it to remember, where I parked. I use it to remember business cards. For the first time ever, I can now remember wine.
Evernote is a company attempting to bring digital recall capabilities to anyone with an internet connection. Evernote's Phil Libin gave us a practical example of how digital recall might be used.
Let's say I remember that I was at the CES show last year in Vegas, but I had an interesting conversation with a guy at the Wacom booth, but I don't remember his name, so I'm just going to search for Wacom. And my thumbnails fly around here, and you can see I've got 7 notes, and this is enough. My human brain now takes over because I remember putting this in there, and I say, oh yeah, well it's this guy right here because I can see the thumbnail. I can zoom into it and stuff if I want, but I have to know that it's him. So I can click on him and I can see that it's Steve Smith. You can see that I actually read Wacom off of his shirt, so I didn't tag that or anything. He was wearing a Wacom shirt, and it picked up that text and indexed it, and I can read his name.
Well, the amazing thing about digital technology right now is it has the ability to capture so much and more of our life. Whether it's what we say, what we see, meetings we've had, conversations, is getting captured in an ever-expanding kind of what I think of as a digital reality bubble.
Since Gordon logs GPS data along with his photos, he's able to locate and recall events using time and location filters. Here, he replays a particular walk he took in Sydney, Australia. By clicking on the map pins, he's able to replay the photographic record in sync with the audio recording.
This is what we've been trying to get to, in spite of the fact that people don't know that that's what they're trying to. I think that this is actually the alternate, the PC is the alternate memory. I think that that's what its role in the universe is, and so we're trying to help promote that role